Hello kids, how are you all? So I welcome you to one more new session of maths. Okay, what's your class? Class 3 maths, and we are doing which chapter? Chapter number 7. Which chapter we are doing? Chapter number 7, subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Okay, so kids, come on, everyone go and get your observation book. Have you got it? Okay kids, now you have to open page number 61. We are going to solve question number 12. In that, kids, you can see that ma'am has drawn the same tabular over here. जो टैब आपकी बुक्स में है, मैम ने ऐसा ही सेम टैब मैम ने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया है. ओके, नाउ किड्स, फर्स्ट वी विल सॉल्व the first one. What is the minuend in over here? What is the minuend? Okay, now we will solve the first one. What's the minuend? It is 5621. And what's the subtrahend? It is 4048. So come on kids, let's subtract. We cannot subtract 8 from 1 because 1 is smaller, so 1 will borrow from here. So it will be 11 and this will be 1. 11 minus 8 is 9, 10, 11, 3. 4 cannot be subtracted from 1, so we will add 1 digit and here it will be 5. So 11 minus 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7. What is 5 minus 5, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So we got the first answer is 1573, which you are going to write over here. 1573. Okay kids, now we will solve this way. Now we have to solve this way. Okay, so we will get the answer over here. What is the minuend over here? It is 5621. And what is over here? 1227. Come on kids, let's do the subtraction. 1 is smaller, so it will borrow from here. Okay. 11 minus 7 is 4. Very good kids. It will borrow 1, so it will become 11 and this it will become 5. 11 minus 2 is very good, 9. Then 5 minus 2 is 3 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So what is the difference which we got kids? 4394. Okay. Now kids, we got this answer. Now we have to solve this one. Okay. What is the minuend? It is 4048. What is the subtrahend? It is 632. Now let's solve this. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 3 1. 0 cannot because it's smaller. So we will borrow 1 from here. So this will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 3. So what's the answer you got? 3416. Okay, so now you got this 2 digits. Yeah, we got this 2 units over here, no? So now, which is bigger? This is bigger. So this will be the minuend and this will be the subtrahend. Okay, so let's solve it. Okay kids, so now what's the minuend? It is 4394. And what is the subtrahend? It is 3416. Now let's find the difference. Can you subtract? No, because 4 is smaller. So it needs to carry 1 from tens place. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now kids, 8 minus 1 is 7. Can you subtract 4 from 3? No, 3 is smaller. So 3 will borrow 1 from thousands place and it will become 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. So what you got, your answer is 978. Now kids, only one is remaining. One block is remaining. So we will solve by solving this one. What's the minuend? It is 1227. And what's the subtrahend? It is 632. Let's solve it, kids. 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 minus 3 you can do? No. So here you have to borrow it from hundreds place. Now 12 minus 3 is 9. Very good, kids. Here you cannot subtract 6 from 1, so you need to borrow. 11 minus 6 is 5. So what is the answer you got is 595. So kids, to check the answer, you can subtract 595 from 1573. You will get the answer as 978 only. You can try solving this. Okay. So kids, in your observation book, similarly, you have to solve sum number B also. As you have solved this A tab, in the same manner you have to solve this B tab also. Okay kids? Okay kids, now we will move on to sum number 13. It says find the difference between the smallest 4-digit number and the largest 3-digit number. So kids, what is the smallest 4-digit number? It is 1000. And what is the largest 3-digit number? It is 999. Now difference between the number is equal to 1000 minus 999. Here 1000 is the minuend and 999 is the subtrahend. So kids, when you subtract 999 from 1000, what you will get? 1. Very good, kids. Now we move on to sum number 14. What it is said? Nishu and Anita earned points in a general knowledge quiz contest. They earned 7,563 points in a total. If 4,150 points were earned by Nishu, how many points were earned by Anita? Kids, what it is said? That Nishu and Anita had attended a general knowledge quiz contest. Both of them earned total points 7,563, out of which 4,150 points were earned by Nishu. Now we have to find how many points were earned by Anita. How we will find this? Points earned by Anita is equal to total points subtract Nishu points. Okay, so we will get the points earned by Anita. What are the total points scored by them is 7563. 7,563. And what is the points earned by Nishu? It is 4,150. So when we subtract this from the total, we will get the points which is earned by Anita. Now subtract it. 3, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 1 is 4 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So what's the point earned by Anita? It is 3,413. Okay. Now kids, we move on to the next sum, which is on page number 62. Sum number 15. Of the 1,540 pages in a book, Tejas read 1,052 pages. How many pages does he need to read to complete the book? Total number of pages 1,540. Pages read is equal to 1,052. So kids, when we subtract the pages read from the total pages, we will get the remaining pages. Pages remaining is equal to 1540 minus 1052. So come on kids, let's subtract. 1540 subtract 1052. We cannot subtract 2 from 0, so we have to borrow. 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 is also we cannot subtract, so it will borrow. 13 minus 5 is, come on, start counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8. Very good kids. And 4 and 2. So how many pages are remaining to read? 488 pages. So you will write here 488 pages. Okay. Okay kids, now this is enough for today. Now we will meet in our next class. So kids, you have to solve, come on tell me how many sums. You have to solve question number 12, 13, 14 and 15 in your math observation book. Okay kids, bye bye.